fix Instagram app not opening on your Instagram account or application. Today guys, I will show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your settings, and on settings you will look for apps, and on apps you will look for Instagram applications, and on Instagram applications we will go now to Instagram. Wait, as you see, I found it. I open it and I will go directly to storage, and I will go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data like this and click OK. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.